Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make your download speed in Google Chrome faster. So basically how to fix slow downloading speed. So I'm going to go over quite some solutions. So make sure to keep watching until you see their solution in there. But first guys, if you want, you can go down on this video in the comment section and click on the first comment that I pinned. This will bring you to my Fiverr, and here you can get a YouTube logo and banner or a modern minimalist YouTube logo and banner for your YouTube channel. But now back to the video. So first, it goes without saying, but make sure there aren't too many applications or games running while you're downloading anything. This is a pretty obvious one, but obviously this will slow down your download speed. And also if I go here, I'm gonna go to extensions, I'm gonna do manage extensions. Make sure there aren't too many laggy or even malfunctioning Chrome extensions that you could have, because this will also slow down the performance of the download in question. The next up, I'm gonna go up here and type Chrome with 2 dots here, // flags. Then right here, we're gonna once again search. I'm gonna go for parallel, as you can see right here, downloading. And then you want to make sure that this one right here is enabled. Then if I go here back to the 3 dots and actually go to settings right here, then make sure you're in privacy and security here. And we're going to go to delete browsing data. Now here you have the basic option, so you can do basically what you've browsed and of the cached image and files is what I recommend you, and also some cookies for some sites if you want. Now this might sign you out in some websites, so that's up to you if you want that. Just going to make sure it's all time here, then you do delete data. Then we're actually going to go back here, click it again, and then we're going to do to advanced. Same here, you can do browsing history, your download history, same cached image and files, but this one has already been done, as you can see. Then for the rest, once again, it's optional. It could help. For example, if you delete all of the cookie sites. But passwords and sign-ins and autofills, that really depends if you want to do that, because that will mean that you have to log into a lot of new websites. So I'm just going to keep these checked here. Same, delete data. And that could also already help in doing that. Then actually I'm going to go here to security while we're here. Go down here, and here you can see select DNS provider. What you can do here is, I would recommend, for example, going for Cloudflare here. And it's actually an alternative option you could use. And I'm actually going to go up here again. I'm going to type continue. Running, and as you can see right here, continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. This means that this is happening in the background. This is something you can actually turn off if you want as well. That could definitely help. So make sure in that case this is disabled. Now there's also some scenarios where you could actually go ahead here on the left side. Once again, you can see down here, reset settings. If you go here and we actually click on it here, you can actually choose to actually reset settings. As you can see, what that will do is actually reset some settings in Google Chrome settings and shortcuts, disable extensions, and delete some cookies and temporary site data, as we saw earlier, where we deleted some of the other browser data. So this is once again up to you if you don't really mind losing some of these. It really depends what you do in Google Chrome, but you can always consider using these reset settings. Now if I go all the way down here to about Chrome, here you can see actually the latest version of Chrome, and that we can see that Chrome is up to date. If it's not up to date, that is of course also an obvious one. Make sure it's up to date. And then of course also likewise, make sure that, for example, your Windows is up to date. So if you go down here, when you go to search here, you can type check for updates, as you can see. And here, as you can see, I'm up to date. And then you can also do check for updates here to see if the latest version of Windows is here. And so that's just something that you have to generally keep in mind, that it's up to date, so that you don't have small malfunctions. Now you can also, once again, if you stay into the update solutions here, go and update some of your software of your hardware. Now I, for example, use right here Armory Crate for that. So Armory Crate is just one of the options you have. It's always nice to have. And then, for example, you can go down here in tools, and here you'll see my drivers. And as you can see, there's one here that's outdated actually. So the only thing I'll have to do here is click download and install. Then I can also go continue here, make sure that everything basically here is up to date. You can also use another software. You basically have to do research in. So you basically have to check which one you like. Actually going to go back to search down here, and I'm going to type CMD, just command prompt basically, and you want to right click and run as administrator. I'm going to click yes here. And you basically want to type ipconfig /flush DNS. Click enter, and as you can see, it has successfully been flushed. This basically cleans up some of the connections between a website, a server, and your computer. And so it makes it all a bit less slow. And so this could also once again help to get those downloads a bit faster. In case really it doesn't work, you can also, for example, try an Ethernet cable. And that's a direct connection. So it's a direct connection between, for example, your router. Or for example, if you immediately have like a socket in the wall, that's also possible. And then directly into your PC, this will create a direct connection, which generally speaking is a bit faster than wireless, but that depends. And you can of course also turn off the connection for a bit, and then we turn it on again and restart your PC, for example. And so also the internet router itself, it's also something you could just launch up again, just restart, to really make sure it's not just a connection problem. But anyways guys, those are some solutions in order to fix the problem. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Please leave a like, would be really nice. Subscribe would also be really nice, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.